All right, getting started here on the Audi RS3. You can see it's got aftermarket wheels on it with these spokes that stick out that are, just clearly made to hit curbs. So I'm gonna have to grind these out with a 50 grit, and then we'll go over red disc and then sand it. Obviously, the spoke, when we're done, is not going to stick out as far. Actually, it doesn't already because it's already been broken off, but it is going to angle down towards the lip of the wheel here. So let's get set up with the 50 grit. While I'm doing this, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, I would appreciate it. And there's going to be links in the description to products and tools that I use in rim repair and recommend. So let's get started on this one. I'm actually using 60 grit. It's just what I have right now, I guess. So. When I get to the third wheel on this, you're going to see probably the owner. He had already sanded, smoothed them out anyway. He took all the curb rash out, but they're not painted. So we're going to go and do that. All right, now we'll go and smooth that out with the conditioning disc. All right, and we'll knock down the last little bit of scratching with the 320 grit sandpaper. Alright, and then we're going to go in and scuff, paint, and clear. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but these spokes are... So this spoke is painted, this spoke is painted. This spoke is tinted clear. So these we need to paint solid, and these we need to mist on and try to keep it semi-transparent. Usually it ends up going on too heavy, not as heavy as it'll go on this spoke for complete coverage, but it's going to look a little darker, but that's really all you can do on these. I pulled this car off the front line.